Hello ladies and gentlemen, today is Saturday, 13th of August 2020, 22. So this week we're going to do weekend back testing again for the pair of XAUUSD gold. And this week we'll look into the first week of July 2022, and let's get started. So as usual, we start our analysis by going to the H4 time frame. In H4, basically what we want to do is we want to map the SNR level for our guidance and the move to see the overall move. As you can see here, price are rather ranging, but overall trend is still down. So let's change to line chart and map the SNR level. We have a support over here, and we have a resistance over here. Pretty straightforward, as you can see. And then we have another resistance over here. Okay, and then if price continue to go bearish, we could possibly go all the way down here to this support level. So we don't have to mark too many SNR level because price will not go that much at the session. So one thing I forgot to do is let's advance the chart to 13 hours. That's where we start our trading. As you can see here, this is the start of the day. Probably I need to redo the SNR level, depend on the move. Okay, so 13 hours, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is where as you can see here, price already moved to this SNR level. Then we need to find where is the lower SNR level, which we can't see over here because I think it's way too far to the back. Okay, so basically this is our SNR level. We clone it to H1 chart. In H1, what we want to do is okay, I need to do this again. Hold on, I need to change the template because it's very dark. It doesn't turn out very well on YouTube especially and on video. So I go back here, I'm gonna clone the SNR level. So in H1, what we do is we mark our supply and demand zone. The first thing we do is let's mark this supply zone because we already below the SNR level. So this is the supply zone. Next one, this is our supply zone. We can take this whole candle like this. It's fine. And then here is I want to take this bullish candle body as my guide. Like this. And up here, I'll probably want to take this whole thing. Okay, so this this zone a bit messy, but I think we'll not go into this level for today. It got merged. Yeah, sometimes MT4 does that. So take this whole thing, then I'm gonna clone it to the M30. In M30 we can see price make a break of structure here and it come back. So we are look for myself, I'll look for sell is this level, break, pull back entry, and we zoom in to M15 for the entry. So let's move the candlestick M15 at a time. Okay, so as you can see here, if we put a sell limit, you'll probably trigger and get stop out at the same time. So now I want to see the next candle make a we can't sell now because the candle is bullish, although it's make rejection. Let's give it another chance. Okay, so we can see now this is a bearish this is a rejection and this is a bearish pin bar. So what we want to do is we want to sell. So we're going to use 0.5% risk for all our trade, and then we go, okay, I'm going to show this visual mode. But we want to sell if price break below this, and we want to target here because we don't really know where's the support level we're going to target next. So this is 0.5% risk. Here our stop is above this candle, which is it refused to show, and I'll take 1 to 1.66. so that's our first trade. Okay, let's play the chart to see what happened. Okay, now price make a upper wick, then break below. However, it make a upper wick again, and actually it hasn't triggered our trade. So that's a kind of weird move. Almost trigger our trade. We are safe by the spread over there, and we can see price actually break above this again. So at this point of time, I would like to, if this break is on low, mean the bearish movement is really strong, and I think our stop, which is our stop is 40 pip, is big enough. We don't want to make it above this. Okay, this is ugly move but this rejection is very strong, as you can see. Hopefully it continue to go bearish, because when, as you can see, when this candle start just now, it actually go down first and make a down wick instead of upper wick. Ideally what we want to see is when you open that time, it goes up and then it go make the lower wick move bearish, so that it make a upper wick. But let's see. Honestly, at this point of time, I'm not sure how we're gonna move, because this is a clear rejection for us, but this candle opened slightly weird. It kind of go against our trade strategy. Okay, so we got stop out on this. Really weird move on this candle just now, so I'm gonna pass it and journal this entry. First entry is a loss. It's always, this can be really taxing on the emotion, so we say the issue is this candle has, okay, this candle make a up wick. Okay, wait first. Just copy this and I'm gonna use it for the first trade journal. That this entry is on 6:45 p.m. 1945, July 1st. July 1st. Okay. That's 0.5. So we lose 1 hour over here. Okay. Two, 4, 7. Okay, so that's our first entry. Unfortunately, it's a loss. So we're looking into price clear this zone. It's either continue bearish or continue bullish to this SNR level, which is like 80 pip away. And if we go down here, it's 120 pip away. So let's play the chart. This is how it look like on M30. M30 making a series of rejection as well. However, it keep making a higher high and higher low. On H1, same thing. H1 is a strong bullish rejection over here. Should have looked into that just now. It's actually a potential good buy, but it's really hard to buy this because it's not rejecting a SNI level over here. Wow. So looking at M15, you can see here this pin bar, bullish pin bar actually reject this SNR level and price just continue to fly after that. Unfortunately, we are not able to capitalize on that because our bias was bearish just now. So as you can see here, price have come back to this SNR level. This is a good sell setup over here. However, this candle close higher than this but lower than this, and at the end what it does is this is a very weird bullish pin bar candle that moved the price up. Okay, so we can see now price again make a almost want to make a bearish pin bar. We can see here. Okay, so now this is a bearish pin bar rejecting this SNR and SND zone, and what we want to see is ideally we want this candle to goes up and then goes down. However here I'm not sure you're gonna do that, but this is a valid trade setup for us, and we can aim at least to this let's see, probably on H1 to this level. Okay, so I mean M30, sorry, M30 and H1 is the same. So again we try with sell stop above this candle, which gonna give us our entry is down here and our TP should be here. Okay, make it at this SNR level. Risk reward ratio is too small because our stop loss is 60 pip, so I'm gonna make it like 30 pip. Yeah, okay, and we have to enter when the price go below that. So it make an upper wick first. Okay, it break that. So if we continue to go down, that's good because this is what we want. We want to have an upper wick first, then go bearish and break below this previous candle low. So we got 5 more minutes for this candle, 4 minutes, and if this one break down, mean it's gonna continue to go bearish, or if not, have to cancel this order and re-evaluate. Okay, so now looking at this, this in the range of this candle, so I think I'll keep the order first. It goes up, which is good. Let's go up first. Oh no. Okay, so it goes really high. What I want to do now is I want to cancel this order. It's no longer valid. Plus all, no, not plus all trade market. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, let's see how this kind of print first. So it's almost 8 o'clock, 7:55. So now we can see this is a very good move. This candle close again, bearish hammer. It make a higher high compared to this and higher high compared to this, but still lower than this candle. So ideally what we want is we want to see price break below it to go bearish. Sell stop, then put a stop here. Entry should be below that candle, and then we aim for this one. That will give us 46 pip stop. It's a bit high. Okay, it's a very good movement because price goes up first. It goes up and we want to see it make a upper wick to continue to go down, or if we continue to go bullish, that's a different story. In this case, as you can see here, price continue to break above that high. So again, we have to cancel this order. Trades, delete. Okay. So price continue to go bullish, and if it's close above this S zone, that means we want to go bullish instead of bearish. Okay, so let's evaluate this situation again. This is a very strong up move. There's not even a wick over here. So we want to look at entry. This let me see, this candle is 80 pips, so that's a huge candle, you know, and it actually cleared this SNR level. Everything here is cleared, mean the next supply zone will be up here. Okay, as we can see over here. So what we're gonna do is we go to M15 and we want to measure the 50% level of this big candle, and we want to enter at the 50%. So the 50% is there. I'm gonna put a buy limit. TP up here, TP can be up here, but our entry is here and our stop is here, is 43 pips. Okay, that's fair. We can enter there and we get a 2R reward. If it doesn't take our entry, that's fine. Then we wait for a pin bar to enter, bullish pin bar. Okay, so it close a doji candle and it print low. We will take our entry. If it's not, that's fine. Gonna next bar it. Okay, you make a bullish rejection candle. Wow, still correctively going down. Okay, so we are in a trade. However, this one look very suspicious. this corrective move and now we're still in a drawdown. Let's see if this candle make a bullish pin bar. Okay, so it make a low first and then it print up. So you want to see this candle break above the previous candle high, which is here, this level, or not. Wow, that's a no news at this day, which is wow, there's no news. Oh, there was a news just now, high impact news at 14 hours, and this is a news candle 14 hours. Wow, no, this one, that's a news candle. So again, our second trade was stop out. Okay, so we have to reevaluate this. Okay, look, we have stop here when we try to sell, we have stop here when we try to buy, and now this candle actually break below this bullish engulfing candle, indicate that's a very strong down move. If we look at higher time frame, it also break over here, and H1 it also break. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bearish bias for the last trade of the day, because we have 2 loss. We want to put one more trade, and for that I'll take it on H1. Okay, so insert Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see here, this is a big bearish engulfing candle, which is about 78 pips. So what I want to do is I want to put a sell limit at the middle of this candle over here, and I put my stop down here, my stop up here, and my TP here. So and then I want to maybe target this SNR level, and for that, let's see if price make a pullback. I'm gonna speed up the thing because I need to go outside for a while. Okay, so we're in a trade, price continue to go bullish, and if you're gonna stop out on this gonna be a very frustrating night, I would say. And look like, wow, look at that, three straight loss for the night. What a coincidence. Okay, so we have 3 losses. Oh wait, I forgot to journal the second loss. Gonna journal the second loss. Entry 50%. Did I? Yeah, entry was here. Entry 50% bullish. It's either my SNR level is wrong, because as you can see here, price does not return at my SNR level. Number 2, 1st of July. Wow, Friday, huh? It's tough night. 16 hours. 21 hours. Minus 0.5. Okay, and I'm gonna journal the last trade as well, and we were done with this session because I need to go out for a while to do something, and I'll be back again later today for the rest of the week. Basically, the first week is only one day, which is July 1st, so that's fine. I'll make it the next week. So the last trade we took was here. Let's see if I can make it. So that's the 10:30 10:30 p.m. That's a bit later, so actually. Okay, this one the SL was 40 and we have 3 straight less loss for the day. Very frustrating, I would say. Oops, sorry, wrong picture. Should be this one. And this is basically entry on H1. Capture this. %. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so that's it for this session. We will continue again the next simulation session. So we done this. What we want to do is we're going to do this one next, and this one, and this one, and this one, to see how overall month of July for our strategy. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll continue again a little bit later today with our weekend